Hey, I'm Robby Royal, Pitmaster of the Rescue Smokers, winner of BBQ Pitmasters, as you've seen on Destination America. I'm here to teach you how to cook everything I do in competition. Five meats, from start to finish, 100% tell all. We're gonna teach you loin, ribs, chicken, brisket, pork. All you gotta do right now is mash that button, and I promise you will become the master and the pitmaster of barbecue in your backyard, at your tailgate, or in competition. I'm gonna teach you how to do it from start to finish. We're gonna put them in the box just like you've seen on TV and like you see in competitions. You go to it, you learn how to cook the way I cook, you'll be a champion in your house. Man, that is good. That is what you want when you bite into a rib. You see it all over my face. If you want to be able to cook ribs like this, click on my name and buy my class, 100% tell all, 5 meats. Let me rock your barbecue world.